in the heart of a bustling city market, where the clamor of vendors and the scent of fresh spices filled the air. A young mother named Elena clutched her newborn baby close. But in a single, heartbreaking moment, she turned her head to pay for a loaf of bread, and the baby was gone, vanished into the crowd, as if swallowed by the chaos. What would you do if the light of your life slipped away in an instant? Elena's world shattered. She screamed, searching frantically among the stalls, her tears blurring the faces around her. The police were called, but leads were scarce. Days turned into weeks, and Elena's hope faded like the evening sun. She blamed herself endlessly. How could she have been so careless? Her husband, Marco, tried to console her, but grief pulled them apart. "It's my fault," she whispered one night, staring at the empty crib. Marco, a hard-working mechanic with calloused hands and a gentle heart, held her tight. "We'll find her, Elena. We have to believe." Then a twist of fate arrived in the form of a stranger's confession. An elderly woman named Rosa, who lived on the outskirts of the city, knocked on their door one rainy evening. Trembling, she revealed the truth in her desperation. After losing her own child years ago to illness, she had seen Elena's baby unattended and taken her, convinced it was a sign from above. "I was wrong," Rosa sobbed, cradling the baby in her arms. "I raised her these weeks as my own, but guilt ate at me. Please, forgive an old fool's mistake." Elena's heart raced with a storm of emotions: rage, relief, sorrow. The baby, safe and cooing softly, reached out a tiny hand. Marco urged caution, but Elena saw the pain in Rosa's eyes, a mirror of her own loss. "Kindness never fails," Elena said softly, echoing words her late mother had taught her. Instead of calling the authorities right away, she invited Rosa inside. They talked through the night, sharing stories of heartbreak and healing. Rosa had fed and loved the child, protecting her from harm. In that vulnerable moment, Elena chose forgiveness, understanding that hurt people sometimes hurt others without meaning to. The resolution came with dawn's light. The family reunited, and Rosa, though facing consequences, found peace in Elena's mercy. She volunteered at a local shelter, turning her regret into acts of kindness for other struggling mothers. Elena and Marco grew closer, their bond strengthened by the ordeal. The baby, now giggling in her mother's arms, became a symbol of second chances. Remember, in life's darkest moments, kindness can bridge even the widest chasms. It heals wounds we didn't know we carried and reminds us that forgiveness sets us free. If this story touched your heart and inspired you to embrace compassion, hit that like button below. It means the world to us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more motivational tales that teach English through emotion and life lessons. What's one act of kindness you'll try today?
Share in the comments.